हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाकिस्तान, वेलकम टू अंकल्स टॉक शो। अंकल, पॉलिटिक्स के ऊपर भी काफ़ी आपने जो है वो अपने तासुरात का, अपने ख़यालात का इजहार ख्याल किया है। और जिस तरह से अभी अमेरिका की न्यू गवर्नमेंट तब्दील हुई है और डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प हैज़ बिकम अ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स अगेन, और ये सेकंड टर्म उनकी जो है वो शुरू हुई है, तो आप क्या देखते हैं कि वर्ल्ड पॉलिटिक्स के ऊपर क्या इसके असरात होंगे और दुनिया में क्या तब्दीलियां आने के इम्कानात हैं? जी हाँ।
Yes, sir. Great topic and very seasoned, very up to date. First of all, I would like to congratulate Donald Trump because I follow him and I'm his fan. One of the greatest leaders of this time, and that's Donald Trump. I appreciate him in many senses. A very great businessman, great politician, and very prominent in his principles and his drive for life and for his goals and objectives. So the world needs a leader like Donald Trump. I already gave him the congratulations for this success to become the president of the United States for the second time. What I would say, I'll just give you a general opinion, not particularizing it for anybody. Donald Trump is a Republican, and Republican has done a great job in many occasions. From United States, people like Lincoln, Abraham Lincoln, Washington, great president, Ronald Reagan, and you keep going. There are few from Democrats as well, but Republican has a bigger and a better name in the United States society. And to collect the people together and keep them together, Republican has done a great job for the last 260 or let's say 270 years. So this is so 250 years. This is so great to know. There are a couple of requests I would like to make to Mr. Donald Trump, and that's my opinion and that's my guess. He is a firm believer that there should not be war around the world and people should not die for any reason which is not a purpose. So dying purposeless, he doesn't believe in that. So he believes in that kind of humanity. And in world politics, he can play a very important role as a country and as a leading country like USA. So we would say there should be a permanent solution for the Palestinians. They have suffered too much, and Donald Trump has sympathy for the people who have suffered too much and who has been facing a lot of injustice in the area. We can point towards Israel. Israel has not been honest to his neighbors, and that's not fair. And even if United States, whosoever the president, including Donald Trump, if you incline too much towards Israel, then you are not making the justice as well. And I don't believe Donald Trump has that capacity or that level of thinking. You are a great leader, and I'm talking direct through my video to the system of United States. And United States help, like they always did in the past, to the underdeveloped country. We would like USA to build a bridge and a good relationship with Pakistan. Pakistan has been suffering for many years a good relationship with the United States, which is a loss and which is a pity and which is a shame, because we could become very good allies, and Pakistan can play a very important role in the area. So Mr. Donald Trump, you should think about it, and it's I would demand, let's say, me being a Pakistani, I would love to visit your country, and I have been to United States in 1980, so I know what I'm talking about, and I've seen your cities, and please help the world out. You have the say, you have the pauta in Spanish. Pauta means you have the hammer in your hand to decide. So work for peace, work for world peace, do something extraordinary, because I believe you are an extraordinary human being, you're an extraordinary man, extraordinary politician, and all these words are right from the core of my heart. And I wish you the best of luck for your career, and you should take a very important role in the Middle East politics and the development of Central Asia and the Southeast Asia. These are very affected regions. Of course, you people are helping a lot to the Africans, and Africa has seen your labor and your work. Whosoever was the government, you have always tried to help Africa. That's very nice. And many people from United States, private people, have done a great job, like Bill Gates for Africa. He has given to almost every country of Africa savings of his life to them as a contribution to develop their country. And that makes United States great. As your slogan is, let's make United States great again. I agree with you, and I wish you the best of luck. And please do take some special interest with this gentleman, Imran Khan, whatever his opinions has been and whatever he has done as a prime minister. He was right, wrong, good, better, experienced, non-experienced, doesn't matter. You like him, I have the feeling, and if you can support this sports figure, I would love that. Donald Trump, Imran Khan do not deserve to live behind the bar. He has been the prime minister, and he has some Pakistani people well-wisher for him, and a big crowd as well. I couldn't be sure about that. So do the best whatever you can, and so as for Ukraine, and so are for other countries like Bhutan and so many other countries where the conflicts are developing, like Syria and Sudan and South Sudan and so on, and Senegal and so much. There's too much trouble around the world. So please go on and try to help this out and work it out. Good luck again. Pakistan, long live Pakistan, long live United States. When you gave us the railway engines 60 years back then, diesel engines, new engines from United States, which were moving in United States, taking people all around United States, and those same engines were given to Pakistan in the time of Kennedy, in the time of Nixon and Johnson. And it was a great contribution for Pakistan Railway. And there was a handshake with the two flags of USA and Pakistan. And I was a kid at that time, and I used to love that. We're talking from the 60s. So let it be like that. Thank you, world. World Zindabad. World, long live world. And peace, love. Serve the fellow man. That's my message. Thank you.